Hey YouTube, today we're gonna unbox and assemble this 36-inch Blackstone Griddle. The box looks kind of raggedy, and that's because this was one of the last two ones they had left at the store, and we got this one on a terribly good sale. So today I'm just gonna open the box up, see what's in it, unbox it, and put it together. So let's get to it. The instructions, I guess we should keep those. Something that looks like a shelf. The cover. Another leg. Here we have a box of parts, screws, nuts and bolts, another shelf, some more parts, a handle, another shelf, all right, we need to put these legs together. Next thing is to flip this over and put these casters on. All right, now we need to move this out of the way. Now I gotta turn the griddle over. All right, with the legs in these holes, just got to screw them in place. I gotta flip this thing back over. Next we have these little shelf brackets that need to go with the notch side up. And they go with the notch side up on the inside. They're also labeled A and B. So A goes on the back, A goes on the front, B goes here, and B goes there. All right, next we gotta put the griddle on there. And this sucker is heavy. The griddle top just slides in place. All right, now we gotta attach the lid to this thing. Luckily, the lid is pretty light, so it doesn't take too much to lift. And I gotta attach the handle to that lid. And then we gotta attach this tank hanger here. Using one screw. All right, next we're gonna get these 4 hangers in. I'm gonna do that on each shelf. Then 2 of these screws go in these pockets here. Okay, and then 2 of these screws go in here. When you get done with this, you'd be able to just let them down on the side like so. Alright, 2 shelves attached to the sides. You could lift them up and flip them down on both sides. To attach these drawers, you have to take this front plate off. There are a couple thumb screws in here. And with the front plate off, then you go ahead, I guess that's how these go. Like so. Then you go ahead and just screw these in place. And I'm getting low on light, so I'm going to hurry up and then repeat it on the other two. Alright, with the handles on these things done, just the knobs to put on and the drip tray on the back. Okay, these just slide on like so. Last thing is this drip pan that just hangs off the back. And dock, it took me a little while to get this together. This here is a magnetic strip, and there's some little hangers on here. This tray could just lift off and hang, and it needs a little bit of washing, as you can tell. On either side it could just hang. And there are lock-in casters down at the bottom, and a place there for the tank. I hope this video was okay. I know it got late and a little bit dark. If you like this, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.